stop scrolling for 1 second. Someone just posted 3 YouTube videos today using only their phone in under 47 minutes. And one of those videos is already getting views. No laptop, no editing software, no experience. And I tested this exact method myself, and it actually works. Now here's where this gets interesting. You are scrolling through your phone right now, and somewhere out there, someone is building a YouTube channel faster than most people ever will, because they're using tools that remove almost all of the effort. And the crazy part? Most people still think you need a computer to do this. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to create YouTube videos from your phone, step by step, completely free, using a text-to-video AI tool that most people are completely underestimating right now. But before we get into it, I want you to think about something for a second. What is actually stopping you from building a YouTube channel right now? If your answer involves not having a camera, not having a studio, not having editing skills, or not having a computer, then you're about to realize none of that actually matters anymore. Because everything I am going to show you today happens right here on a smartphone. No desktop required, no fancy equipment, no experience needed. Just your phone, an idea, and about 10 minutes of your time. And make sure you don't skip, because in a minute, I'm going to show you the part where most people completely ruin their videos without realizing it. This is the part most people miss. Alright, so let me set the scene for why this matters so much in 2026. The creators winning right now are not the ones with the best cameras or the biggest budgets. They are the ones who are consistent. But here's the shift that's been happening quietly. Mobile AI tools have improved to the point where the gap between phone and desktop is almost gone. That means you can now create full faceless YouTube videos directly from your phone. But here's the catch. And this is important. Most people using these tools are still getting low views. Not because the tools are bad, but because they're using them the wrong way. I'll show you exactly what I mean inside the demo. At this point, everything starts to click. The tool we are going to use today is called CapCut, combined with its built-in AI text-to-video feature. And just to be clear, you can do this completely free. There are some optional paid features, but you don't need any of them to get started. You can also do this on desktop if you want more control, but everything I'm showing works perfectly on your phone. Now, if you already have CapCut on your phone, great. If not, go ahead and download it right now for free from your App Store. CapCut is available on both Android and iOS. Let me show you exactly what this looks like in real time. You open CapCut, and right here on the main screen, you're going to see the AI video or text-to-video option. Tap that. Now you'll get a box where you can paste your script. Now watch this. This is where it gets interesting. You paste your script, and then you hit generate. And within seconds, CapCut builds an entire video for you. Here's one it just created. And this is the kind of output people are uploading right now. Clips, captions, transitions, even voiceover. Now let me show you something important. This is what most people do. They generate the video and leave it exactly like this. And this version, it looks okay, but it performs terribly. The pacing is off. The visuals don't fully match. It feels generic. Now watch what happens when you make a few small changes. Tighter clips, better matching visuals, slightly faster pacing, same script, same tool. Completely different result. And this is exactly why some videos made with this get views, and others completely flop. Same tool, same process. The difference is just a few small decisions during editing. But here's where most people mess this up. They just accept whatever the AI gives them. And that's exactly why their videos don't perform. So here's what you do instead. You treat the AI output as a draft, not the final product. Fix a few clips. Tighten the pacing. Make sure the visuals actually match the script. This part takes maybe 2 to 3 minutes, but it makes a huge difference in views. And once you've done this once, new idea. Paste your script. Generate, quick edits, export. That's how people are creating multiple videos per day using just their phone. And this is the moment where most people realize this is actually doable. And just to simplify everything you just saw, the entire workflow is this: idea, script, paste, generate, quick edits. That's it. No complicated setup, no hours of editing, no steep learning curve. And this is where it becomes powerful. Because you're not starting from scratch anymore. You're following a system. New idea, new script, generate, edit, export. The more you repeat it, the faster it gets. Here's how this actually turns into videos. Here is the workflow broken down simply. Step 1 is choosing your niche. Your niche determines your audience, your monetization potential, and your ability to stay consistent. Good niches include finance, motivation, health, history, tech, and self-improvement. But here's a smarter way to think about it. Pick a niche where people are already searching for answers, because those videos are much easier to get views. Step 2 is writing your script. It does not need to be perfect. It needs to be clear, simple, and focused on one idea. If your script feels confusing, your video will perform poorly every time. Now, let me show you where most people go wrong with this entire process. Most people think the AI is the shortcut, but the real bottleneck is not the tool, it's the input. If your idea is weak, your video will be weak. If your script is boring, the AI will just turn it into a boring video faster. Here's what usually happens. They pick random topics. They rush the script. They rely 100% on AI. And then they wonder why the video gets no views. The creators who actually win with this do one thing differently. They spend more time thinking about the idea than generating the video. Because the tool doesn't make viral videos, the idea does. A simple way to fix this is to shift your focus before you even open CapCut. Instead of asking, "How do I make this video?" ask, "Why would someone click this?" Because if the idea isn't interesting, nothing else matters. Step 3 is generating the video. Paste your script into CapCut and generate. Step 4 is editing. Fix mistakes, clean captions, adjust pacing. This is where your video goes from average to actually watchable. Step 5 is uploading. Use YouTube Studio, write a strong title, description, and tags. And this is important. Your title and thumbnail matter more than your editing. Now here's where this turns into something bigger. Because this process is so fast, you can create videos daily. Even 30 to 40 minutes a day is enough. But the creators who actually grow from this don't treat it like random uploads. They treat it like a system. Batch ideas. Follow a repeatable workflow, stay consistent. And here's the part most people underestimate. Your first 10 to 20 videos probably won't perform. And this is completely normal. Every video you post is data. You're learning what people click on, what they watch, and what they ignore. And this is where most people quit. They post 5 videos, get no views, and assume it doesn't work. But what's actually happening is this. You're still learning what works. You're training your instincts. You're figuring out what people click on. And then suddenly, one video performs better than the rest. That's your signal. That's what you double down on. And that's where channels start to grow. The first time I tried this, the video honestly looked terrible. The visuals didn't match well, the pacing felt slow, and I almost didn't upload it. But after making a few small changes, just tightening clips and fixing timing, the next version looked 10 times better. Same tool, same idea, just slightly better execution. And that's when it clicked. Now let's bring this all together. The barrier to entry has never been lower. You don't need expensive gear or advanced skills. You just need your phone and consistency. So here's what I want you to do. Pick a niche, write one script, generate your first video, and upload it today. Don't overthink it. Your first video is not supposed to be perfect. If you want to try the exact tools I used to make this video, I'll leave them linked below. And if you're serious about this, start now. Because the people who start today are the ones who get ahead. And right now, most people still aren't doing this. They're overthinking, waiting, or assuming it's harder than it actually is. Which means even simple videos can put you ahead. If you actually start. If this helped you, hit the like button so more people can find this. Subscribe for more videos like this. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how people are turning this into fully automated short-form content that runs in the background. I'll see you there.